Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting unboxing of a new phone case. This is from Spigen, and this is for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the Ultra Hybrid one-tap metal ring MagSafe compatible case. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, see what we get inside, and see if it's worth picking up. All right, so we've got the boxing here from Spigen, just a typical Spigen box. Go ahead and open this up and pull that and slide that out. Nothing else inside the box. Set that off to the side. And here is the case. So this shows kind of the internals of your phone, which is pretty cool. It also has that MagSafe ring here, so you can use MagSafe accessories. Let's go ahead and pull this out, take a look at it. All right, and right away, really like the design on this. It looks like we've got, not sure if there's, oh yeah, there is some plastic here that we'll go ahead and pull off in just a minute. Just looking around the edge, so you can see we've got our buttons, volume up and down, and our power button here on the side. On the top here, we've got our microphones, the two microphones on the top. Looking around the side here, on the bottom, we've got our USB-C charging port, the cutout for our speaker, and the cutout for our S Pen. And looking on this side, looks like there is a little bit of Spigen branding there, so not a whole lot. Let's go ahead and pull this off. All right. And let's just take a quick look here. So this is the design. Really like this design. I wanted to check one of these out. It's got some camera lens protection there. We do have a slight lip around the top to protect your phone. There is another piece of plastic in here. We'll go ahead and pull that out. And let's go ahead and throw it in the S24 Ultra. So I've got the S24 Ultra in the titanium gray. Go ahead and pop this in there. Nice, perfect fit as usual from Spigen. There we go. That is what it looks like with the phone in the case. And let's look around the bottom. Looks good. S Pen, easy access to pull that in and out. No problems there. Cutouts are perfect. We'll test this out, make sure that it is wireless charging compatible, and then we'll also MagSafe accessories on here. We got the buttons here, very clicky. Yeah, very tactile like that. And that is it. So if we take a look at the edge here, we can see that there is a lip that goes around the edge here, so you are going to get some good front screen protection, and then there's a lip around the top and bottom, so we can go ahead and put this face down, not worry about the phone getting scratched up. Same with the camera. You can see that there is some little bit of raised over those lenses, so those should be protected from any scratches as well. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Go ahead and power this up real quick, and while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grab some MagSafe accessories, and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got the phone booted up, and we're going to go ahead and first let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging, make sure that that works for this case. Go ahead and grab our charger here. All right, and here is a wireless charger. All right, so we've got the Spigen case. We're going to go ahead and throw this on here. Sure, I got that on. There we go. And as you can see, it does have wireless charging. So the case is wireless charging compatible, which is excellent. Next, let's go ahead and try out some of the MagSafe accessories. Okay, first up, we've got a MagSafe wallet. This is one of the Moft wallets. And we'll go ahead and pop that on there. And oh, nice strong magnet. So definitely not going anywhere. You can see that that fits right on there. It does look like it covers up the lens a little bit. Let's see if I can reposition that. There we go. And that is a nice strong magnet there. So you can see that is working just fine with the Moft wallet. Throw on, I've got an Anker power bank here, which is MagSafe. Go ahead and throw that on, and no problems there. And we can see, make sure this is turned on. And there you go. And so the wireless charging compatible with the MagSafe power bank. Very strong magnet, so definitely not going to come off. Really like that. And next up we have a portable tripod from Peak Design. I've seen this in a lot of my videos. Great to have. You can go ahead and put this right on there, and then you have yourself a nice little table tripod. So let's go ahead and just set that up real quick, and go ahead and adjust those legs, and there we go. So perfect. So that works for the Peak Design portable tripod. So it looks like any MagSafe accessory is going to work on this case from Spigen. So if you're interested in picking up one of these, I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.